This bag gives very much Coach Kiss Lock bag to the T, okay? Hello everybody, it is your girl Bria Van Kooten and welcome back to the channel, y'all. We are back with another one. Today we are talking about handbags, okay? Obviously it is spring, summer is coming, so we're going to be talking about the 2026 spring summer handbag trends. We're going to talk about handbag styles that are trending and trendy and what you should have in your wardrobe. And of course, I'm going to show some examples of some of my favorite handbags that I have been looking at. I'm going to show you guys a designer luxury high-end version, and I'm going to show you guys something that is less and a little bit more affordable. So without further ado, let's get into the video. All right, y'all, so first things first, the first handbag trend we are going to talk about is netting, the netted handbags. And we already know a netted handbag is perfect signature for spring summer. Whenever spring summer comes around, you should have at least a netted bag in your wardrobe. It is literally perfect for spring summer. The first bag I want to talk about today is the Prada Noue medium cotton macrame bag, and I think this bag is so cute. I love the netting outside with this little pouch in between, and it has that woven handle. That woven handle is so good, and I love that blue, red, grayish detail underneath with the contrast of that brown in the netting and the wooden handle. And the bag retails for $2,200, so of course this is the high-end version, but if you want something obviously a little bit more affordable, we're gonna get into Tory Burke, and Tory has the small hand-woven chain mesh tote, and this tote is super cute. The price is $895, and I just love the look of it in this like dark brown chocolate with this golden woven detail. The chain mesh detail is so good. It's so sexy, so luxurious. I would definitely wear this bag and rock it. And I feel like with this bag you can also transition it into the fall because of that like dark brown chocolate with the gold detail. It would look so nice in the fall season. And of course with this bag you definitely would want to put like a little pouch in it. You could obviously just throw your stuff in there, but because of the netting detail you want to put like a pouch. Obviously if you are carrying cash or carrying your cards, you have your wallet or card holder or something, and if you don't want people to see what is in your bag, you literally should have like a pouch or something. The next trend that I want to get into is the slouchy handbag. We love a nice little slouchy drooping bag underneath your arm. You just tuck it under and just go. It is so fab, so cute, so chic, like such a chic look. Like right now I have on this tee with the blazer, and imagine just like something cropped underneath, like a handbag just cropped slouch underneath my jacket under my arm. So fab. So the first bag that I want to talk about is from Massimo Dutti. The price is $420, and I think this bag is so cute, so chic. I love that circular oval detail, but it has that slouch, and you can wear it under your arm. It has a strap so you can wear it on your shoulder, and I love the versatility of it. But I love the leather, I love the black. It is so cool. Next bag I want to get into is from Farm Rio, and this bag is, you know, the lesser affordable version. It is $148. It is the Farm Rio slouchy scarf bag. When I saw this bag I literally gagged. It is so good. I love that silk scarf detail. I love the scarf detail. I love this wooden handle. No, this bag is so good. I have to keep my eye on this one. And then it comes in with a little pouch inside, so you could carry like your lip gloss and earpods and your card holder, wallet, all the things. But I literally have to keep my eye on this. I think I might pop into the Farm Rio store and see how it looks in person. But she is so good. Such a nice spring summer bag because it's so colorful and so pretty that your summer and spring clothes will look so well, depending on how you dress and the colors that you wear. It would look so nice with it. And again, with this one, I feel like you can also transition it into the fall. I would transition it into the fall because of the colors and because of that wooden handle. It will look really nice with fall colors as well. So yeah, the next bag trend is the Petite pouch. Okay, we love a small bag over here. I love a large bag, a big bag, but I also love a small bag as well. So we have to talk about some small bags. So the first bag we're going to talk about is from Saint Laurent. It is the Jamie shoulder pouch in lambskin. The price is $3,000. Of course, it's the luxury high-end bag, and it is this cute slouchy petite bag. I really like it. I really like the look of it. I love this olive color with the gold detail. I don't really care for that chain part on the strap. I wish that chain part wasn't there. I wish it was just in the lambskin. Like, that would have been great. They didn't need to add that golden chain detail, because I feel like the gold detail in the YSL in the front is enough. But other than that, I love this olive green color. I love the strap without that gold detail, and I think it is super cute. And again, very versatile. You can wear it on your shoulder. You can wear it crossbody. You can wear it just, again, like a little pouch underneath or like a clutch, and I really love that. So then the next bag that is a little bit less, is more affordable, it is from Jacquemus, is the Berlingot bag, the small class bag. And this bag gives very much Coach Kiss Lock bag to the T. Okay, when I saw it, I was like, it's giving the Kiss Lock bag, but obviously more expensive because the Kiss Lock bag is like $595, $600. This one is $1,350, $1,350. But I love the look. It is super cute, super chic, and of course Jacquemus' signature, that circular with the square detail. There's such a signature look, and I love that Jacquemus done that, because once you see a bag with that, you know what bag it is. You know what that is. But I love it. It is super cute. But honestly, I would definitely get the Kiss Lock one, because obviously with the Kiss Lock you can fit way more in it and it is definitely smaller. I would get the Coach Kiss Lock, yeah. But the Jacquemus one is super cute. Speaking of small bag, big bag, all that, we're just talking about how I like a big bag, I love a small bag. We're gonna talk about the large tote, okay? The first bag we're gonna talk about is from a brand called Kallmeyer, New York, and we're gonna talk about their Tulin slouch bag in leather. And I think this bag is so good. It's a bit slouchy, it's a tote bag, it's large, you look like you could fit a lot in it. Like, it is so chic. And again, you could put it on your shoulder, and you could wear it underneath your arm like a slouchy clutch bag. And I love it. This bag retails for $1,490, for $1,490. But of course, let's get into the more affordable version, affordable bag. We're gonna talk about the Telfar large shopping bag, which is one of my favorite bags in my wardrobe. I have the large one. I have it in yellow, and I freaking wear this bag down to the ground. I love it so much, and it is so beat up, and I still am in love with it. I definitely want to get a new one in the same yellow, because I really love the yellow. I love that pop color. And I can fit my whole life in it. Like, I literally just be throwing stuff in it, fitting stuff in it. A great weekender bag, a great just walking around the city bag, a great bag. Like, I am a wardrobe stylist, so when I'm like carrying like the accessories and clothes and things around, great bag to just throw and carry for like the photo shoots that I style. Such a great bag. I will recommend, and the price point is amazing. It's $257, which is amazing. And one thing I love about Telfar, he keeps his bag prices the same, and I love it. No matter how big, how large his brand gets, he has kept his bag prices around the same, and I love that. So yeah, if you don't have a top part in your wardrobe, I don't know what you're doing, because you should have one, at least one, in your wardrobe. And last but definitely not least, the last bag trend we're gonna talk about is the bowling bag. I love a good bowling bag shape. Like, it is so cute. It's so fetch. That's the one bag I don't have, like a style like that in my wardrobe, in my closet. I'm still building my handbag and bag collection, but I would love like a bowling style bag in my closet. The first one we're gonna talk about is the Louis Vuitton Monogram Ellipse MM. So fab. This bag is definitely on my wish list of luxury bags that I would love to have in my wardrobe. Oh my god, she is so good. She's on Fashion File right now for $845. Oh my god, I am in love. I love the shape of it. I love the look. I love the leather. I love the monogram print. I love everything about this bag. Like, let's get into the more affordable one. It is from COS, and it is $200. And she is so good. Such a good bag. I love the look of it. Like, I love this black leather. And again, we've been talking about versatility in handbags all video. I love the top handle that you can hold it like that. And then you can also, again, clutch it underneath your arm. And I love it. And I love how luscious and luxurious this leather looks. Even though obviously it's COS and it's way less, and it is a more affordable brand, affordable bag. The leather looks really good. I would have to see how it looks in person, but of course in the photos, you know, they edit and all that, but it looks really nice. But yes, oh, and I'm looking at it now, the black is out of stock, so it definitely is trendy. But I will make sure to link all of the items that I talked about in this video. I will make sure to link it down below in my description box so you guys can shop if you want to buy anything. Definitely comment down below. Let me know what you think. Which trend is your favorite? Let me know down below. And go check out my previous videos. Subscribe to the channel. Like the video. Share the video if you would like. Follow me on my social medias at Bria Van Kooten, my Instagram, my TikTok, my Twitter. Check out my blog, www.briavancooten.com. My styling portfolio will be linked down below. And subscribe to my other two channels. I have Bria Loves Music, my music reaction channel, and I have the BVC Network, my network with, I have a show on there, and my friend Dwight has his show on there where we talk about celebrity news, hot topics, all the things. So definitely go check that out and subscribe. Both channels will be linked down below in the description box. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace, love, deuces.